Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Truefi and the True token, which has been, today it's been bullish again. It's been one of those cryptos that really after the initial rally which we had in February, when there was like Binance minted a lot of TUSD, which isn't from Truefi anymore, but alright. Then we had that first rally. Looked a bit manipulated as well, just to be perfectly honest with you. But right now we actually continued the bullish momentum. We've been very strong. We'll talk about the technicals. We'll talk about the fundamentals briefly as well. But yeah, before we get into it, I do want to say that if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the link down in the description. In both the Telegram and the Discord are instructions on how to join. And in the Discord there are also trade results. And very soon I'll try to have some testimonials up there from traders who have made profit and just traders in general. But right, check that out. And now we'll dive into Truefi. So altogether, that's, just to be honest, the project itself, it looks a little manipulated in my opinion. All right, right now, for example, they don't seem that active. I'm not sure how active the project still is. If you take a look at where the volume is coming from, you can see that most is coming from Binance, so coming from a credible source, I would say. But just in general, Truefi, I'm not sure what it's doing. It doesn't seem to be that active. If we take a look at the source code, which is usually a place where you can find out if they're still working on it, you can see that there's still activity. There's still quite a lot of activity, but just in general, yeah, I don't know. It just doesn't look like the strongest project to me. We have been very, very bullish though, and sometimes in crypto you don't need a strong project to be bullish, and you also don't need it to continue going up. So right now the main thing is, and this is what I said last analysis, I did not expect this second rally, but I did say that, all right, if at some point we are able to break above 11.5 cents, which was and still is, or it was our main resistance, if we can break above that, then all right, we'll continue up to like 15 cents, which hasn't happened yet. Right now you can see that we found support at 0.5, at that 0.5 FIP or 14 cents. So the big question now is, can we continue that? And that's what I wanted to talk about. Because in the end, 14 cents. Also, if you take a look at the price of True historically, it's not that major of a level. Not that as major as like 15 and 15.5 cents. But in the end, we did respect to that kind of area the last time we hit that level. Back the 16th of February, when we hit those levels, when we had that initial rally, we hit 14.5 cents, and that was our resistance. And from there, we dropped down. So that made it a little bit more respected. Right now, if you take a look at something like, we cannot really draw a nice fib here. This is really the most accurate fib I think you can draw. Right now, the main thing is that we are dropping quite a bit, and I think we can still get up to 15 and 15.5 cents. But what would need to happen is right now we'll drop down to 12.5 and 12 cents. We need to find support there, and from there, within 24 hours, break above 13 cents again. 13.2 cents again. If we can do that, that's the only way I think we can get up to 15.5 cents. All right, so right now we're dropping quite a lot. We'll drop down to 12.5 psychological level and 12 cents technical level. We'll find support there, but from that support, we need to break above 13.2 cents. If we can do that, we'll get up to our price target at 15.5 cents. If we are not able to do that within 24 hours, we'll continue dropping down to 11.5 cents and also probably down towards 10 cents again. And who knows, from there we could have another rally, but I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, this is my full take on the Truefi and the True token. So if you do have any questions, let me know. So now take care and bye.